Let's create a new directory called git-demo and navigate into it. Then verify the contents of the directory. As expected, the directory is currently empty. To initialize a new Git repository in this directory, we'll use the command git-init. Now, if we list all the directory contents again, we can see that a hidden .git folder has been created. Let's create a new file called file.txt. We can add some content to this file, for example, add the line hello git using the command echo and output append operator. To check the status of our Git repository, we can use the command git status. It shows that there is an untracked file named file.txt. To stage the file for commit, we'll use the command git add file.txt. Now we can commit the changes with the command git commit --m, my first git commit. Checking the status again, we can see the repository is up to date, and there are no pending changes to be committed. We made everything right. Now you can view the git history with the git log command, which displays a list of all the commits made to the repository. To exit the log view, simply press the Q key. To see the commit history in a concise one-line format, you can use the command git log --one line. Let's list all the branches in the Git repository and show what branch we're in using the git branch command. Now we have only one main branch. Now let's create a new branch called dev using the command git branch dev. Check that the branch was created. To switch to the dev branch, we'll use the command git checkout dev. Now we are in the dev branch. Then let's make some changes to this branch. For example, append the text my second commit to it. Verifying the changes, we can see the additional line in the file. After staging and committing the changes, we can check the status and see that now there are no pending changes to be committed. Switching back to the main branch, you can notice that the changes we made on the dev branch are not reflected here yet. To merge the changes, use the git merge dev command. Finally, we can see that the changes from the dev branch have been successfully merged.